马克去北京。上个周末，马克去了北京。北京的天气非常好。星期六，马克先去了天安门广场，然后去了故宫。故宫太大了，马克在那儿拍了很多照片。不过人太多了。晚上，马克在一家饭店吃了正宗的北京烤鸭。马克觉得有点贵，不过非常好吃。星期天，马克去了长城。在那儿，马克认识了几个别的德国人。他们在北京学习中文，是留学生。他们的中文非常好。马克很羡慕他们。长城很长，不过很漂亮。马克和他的朋友们都非常累，不过都非常高兴。
Word time.
先
First,
拍照片，
take photos.
不过
But, however,
正宗，
authentic.
留学生，
Foreign student.
羡慕。
Admire. You can join Ask Andy membership on Patreon to get the script with the color coding.
You can subscribe to the channel Ask Andy to get more free learning materials made by ANS Mandarin. ANS Mandarin is creating online Chinese courses to help you learn Chinese systematically. And you can join my live international group classes for free for 2 weeks if you buy one course. You can also join the new Ask Andy membership on Patreon to get your exclusive perks and support us. Thank you for watching.